Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a pentagon from square paper. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is a pentagon and I made this from a square sheet of paper. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. Here is my square sheet of paper, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to start off by folding it in half. I'm going to take the bottom edge, fold it up like this, line it up with the top edge. You want to get the edges and the corners as lined up as possible. It'll produce a much better end result. So I'm going to line them up like that, and then I'm going to crease it, and we're going to keep this part folded like that. Okay, give it a nice good crease. Then at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to take the top right corner. We're going to bring it down so that this edge lines up with this edge over here. Okay, and we're going to crease it just in the middle. Just like that, we just need a reference point and release it. Okay, and we're going to take the top edge, bring it down to the bottom edge over here. Okay, and similarly, we're going to crease it just as a reference point. Give me 1 second, I'm struggling with this because I'm looking through the camera lens instead of in real life. Okay, so I'm going to crease it just as a reference point over there, where it lines up with the crease that we just created, and unfold it. So here are where those two creases that we created intersect. I'm going to take the bottom left corner, fold it, and the bottom left corner will go and line up with that specific intersection. And we're going to fold it like that and keep it folded like that. Okay, I'm going to take this little flap corner that's over here, this little corner that's sort of flapping up and down, and I'm going to bring it like this so I can line this edge up with this edge over here, just like this. I'm going to fold it, give it a nice crease, and leave it like that. I'm going to take the bottom right corner, and I'm going to essentially line up this edge with this edge like that. Try not to overlap them, just try to line them up like that. Give it a nice solid crease like that. Then we're going to flip it over. We're almost done. At this point, we're going to basically fold it in half. So I'm going to take my right side, which has both of these folds here. I'm going to just bring it over, and this edge is going to line up with this edge. It's basically going to be folded in half for the most part. Okay, as you can see right here, give it a nice fold like that. And then we're going to get a pair of scissors, and everything after this line right here is going to get cut. So I'm going to reach to grab my scissors. I have a nice long pair of scissors, so it'll just take one cut, and then I just have to cut it like that. And what we've done is we have now essentially created our pentagon. Just give me one moment to unfold it. You will see. There we go. Okay, get rid of this stuff right here. As you can see, we have now created our pentagon. That is our pentagon shape. We created this from a square sheet of paper. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.